Earning easy money online that works anywhere? Making free money in just simple steps? Is there something like that? Well, you've come in the right video, my friends. In today's video, I am going to show you one of the easiest and simplest ways to make money online that works around the world. And the best part is, we are just going to use Google and two websites that I am going to show you in just a while. And guys, an even greater news is, you don't need any affiliate marketing and a huge social media following for this. You can make hundreds to thousands of dollars just by following these simple steps, using Google and just copying and pasting. So if you are excited to know how, then stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hi everyone, welcome to another money making strategy with Smart Money Girl. So for today's video, we are going to start right here at google.com. I'm going to share with you today how you are going to use Google for a huge passive income and earn it over and over again. But remember guys, don't skip any part of this video because later I am going to show you one free tool that is absolutely free that you are going to use to enlarge your income even more. The best part is, you don't need any experience and any skills, and anyone can actually do this. And if you follow all of my steps until the very end of this video, it will take you less than 30 minutes to have all of this ready. And also, this website I am going to show you actually pays through PayPal. So you are going to get free PayPal money with all the things I am going to share to you today. But if for some reason PayPal is not available in your country, well, good news. I am going to show you in this video a lot of different payment options to collect all the money you earned using Google. I know you are eager and excited to learn this strategy, so what are we waiting for? Let's jump straight to step 1. Okay guys, we actually just did step number 1 right here by opening Google. Now I want you to type in Google News and hit enter right here. So the website that we are going to use today is the very first website you actually see here, which is news.google.com. We will now click on it and it will bring us to the Google News website right here. So basically, this website is like an online newspaper per se. It basically has everything written here. We have in here world news, local news, business news, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and a lot more. Any news that you want to actually learn about and gain information on is actually in here. Why is this, you may ask? Easy. Google is the most visited website in the world. Amazing, right? So as I said, we have almost every news in the world around here. But the question is, how is this site going to pay us free PayPal money? And I am gonna answer that in this video. I am going to guide you through this strategy step by step, so do not skip any parts of this video. So now you are going to select one from any of the categories available here. Well, you would want to stick with business, technology, or other that you may want. But for now, let's stick with health. We all know that we are in a pandemic right now, so stay safe guys. So currently, health is a very sought out topic because a lot of people have a lot of questions about what is going around the world due to the pandemic known as COVID-19. So we are going to click on it and it is going to bring us this page. Now, we are in the health category for Google News. So usually, all the latest information and articles about health are the ones that will be immediately shown to you as soon as you open this page. So what you will do is scroll down and find one interesting article that you think a lot of people would want to read and know about. Let's say lose weight. So I am going to type in here lose weight, and look at that. A lot of these articles have just been shown to me about how to lose weight. So this is the one I want to turn my attention into. But you can choose whatever you prefer, guys, okay? We are just going to pick one, like this one right here. 5 types of tea that may help with weight loss. Now we are going to click on it and it's gonna show us this page. Don't worry, guys, you will not actually write anything. You will not have to create an article on your own or create a video, whatever like that. You don't need that. You also don't have to promote anything through affiliate marketing and more. Just follow all the steps in this video and you will start earning money through your PayPal account just by using Google. So after you find one article that you like for instance the one we clicked on right here, it basically contains the different types of tea that can help with weight loss, which is very informative and helpful. So then, what you want to do is highlight any statements that you like and then copy it, and we will paste onto this other website that I briefly told you guys about. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. This website is called spinbot.com. Well, basically, this is a free automatic article spinner that will help you rewrite human-readable text along with additional intelligent readable text. But also, it can also be used as a paraphrasing tool. It will sort of change the article for you so that you are not going to change it word for word or even copying and pasting word for word. All you are going to do is copy some parts of the article that is very informative and helpful and paste it here. So that's exactly what I will do. I am going to paste the text that we just highlighted earlier on here where it says enter text to rewrite, and that's it. You are then just going to click I am human right here and also answer the CAPTCHA question right here. Just click any image depending on what it needs. Then after verifying, it's done. Afterwards, you are going to click on go right here and there you go. Look at it, guys. It has just been easily rewritten for you, as easy as that. You had no writing to do and you didn't even have to create another article by yourself. That is how simple and powerful spinbot.com. So this is a powerful website that I mentioned earlier that will greatly help you. But that's just not it. Now that you have a newly rewritten article for you, you are then gonna put these articles on 3 additional websites that are going to pay you word per word. Yes, you heard that right. You will be paid per word. That is incredible. Some websites will pay 50 cents to $1 per word, and in some of these articles, you see there can be thousands of words. So this is a very helpful website for you guys. Let's jump straight into the first website. So the very first website that is going to pay you is called eatingwell.com. This is a website that actually pays you per article that you make, but instead of you having to write your own articles, you are going to be using Google News and spinbot.com to actually rewrite those articles for you. Then you are going to submit here on eatingwell.com and boom, you will get paid that easily. How amazing is that, guys? But I know you're wondering how to submit these articles that are written for you over on spinbot.com and using Google News. So what you do is you go to eatingwell.com, you then go to the writer's guidelines, and as you can see here, they will be paying you up to as much as $1 per word. It's written right here. But they actually prefer to be emailed. So you just find their email address, which is right here, and all you are going to do is copy that email or even just click on it. Then you come back to the Spinbot article that has been written for you, copy it right here, and go back to your email and submit it right there. And there it is. You are then going to submit it off, and they are going to read it well. If they select your article, they are going to ask you for your payment details. Just as easy as that. Amazing, right? The next website that you can start submitting your articles to is called sierraclub.org. And you may ask, how do you submit them? Well, it's actually pretty easy. Right here, it tells you the simple instructions on exactly how to submit your articles, and it actually welcomes unsolicited pitches. What you have to do is to fill out this form. You just have to click this and it will lead you to this form. The next thing is you have to fill up all of the spaces right here. Fill up your name, email, and if you have a personal website, you can also put it here. And also, you can put the links to the relevant clips for the articles. And lastly, input your story proposal and click submit and you're done. So, the last website where you can submit your pre-written articles is called daily.jstor.org. Well, this website does not pay that much, but it is still a great website for you to get paid for all of your different articles. And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below, as it helps the channel grow a lot. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online. Bye!